everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Susan. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I am back to do another hair video. So I recently relaxed my hair and I asked for a trim. This hairdresser, this is new. This is the second time I'm going to her. And I didn't know she was scissors happy, and she trimmed too much. In fact, she cut my hair, and it was too late when she put the scissors. It was just way too late, so she had to even it out. I couldn't stop her. So this is what my hair looks like now. It's actually shorter than it was in my previous hair videos. Anyway, let me turn around so you guys could see what I'm working with now. You can see neck length. She just went across and cut it. And I got some hair on top as well. I got a bun on top. Right, so yeah, I am going to go ham in growing my hair now. I want to get to bra strap ASAP. So I am going to utilize things that I know that actually help your hair grow faster. And the first thing I'm going to use today is aloe vera. I am going to use aloe vera to heal my scalp after a relaxer treatment and encourage massive hair growth. So if you're interested, join me in this journey, and yeah, let's do it. So here I've got my aloe vera leaf, and I'm removing the tip and the base because I do not use those parts, and I'm cutting it down into manageable sizes. So now I am cutting off the thorns. If you do not know, aloe vera leaves have thorns at the sides. So I'm removing the thorns to prevent me hurting myself. So I'm slicing up the aloe vera so that I could get access to the gel, and then I'm slicing up the gel to make it easy to extract from the leaf. I prefer using a spoon to extract the aloe vera gel from the leaves. And that's what you can see me doing here. So aloe vera has various health benefits, but today I am focusing on the scalp. And we all know healthy hair grows from a healthy scalp. Aloe vera gel is rich in proteolytic enzymes that heal and repair damaged cells on the scalp. Aloe vera also helps improve the health of hair follicles and promotes hair growth. Proteolytic enzymes also stimulate the dormant hair follicles and thereby facilitates the regrowth of new hair from the scalp. Additionally, aloe vera is a great conditioner for the hair. It enables the hair to become smooth and shiny due to its pH. It also promotes hair growth, as I said before. It minimizes dandruff and allows the scalp to heal, especially after having a relaxer. So after extracting the gel from the leaves, I like to blend the gel because I do not want any clumps of the gel being stuck in my hair. And then I use a wig cap. Here I'm using 2 wig caps to strain the blended aloe vera to ensure that all the little tiny particles are removed. So I'm squeezing out the gel. This is a very satisfying procedure. You can see all that goodness coming out. I just want to wipe this on my hair. Look at all that goodness in the bowl. Aloe vera is great for the hair and the scalp. So now I am straining it again and putting it into my applicator bottle. And this is my hair in August. This is after 1 month of using aloe vera, and this is what it's done to my hair. My hair looks darker. And not only that, my hair has grown from the cut. So now I am applying the aloe vera gel to my hair and to my scalp. Whether you're relaxed or natural, it doesn't matter. Just join me and let's get our hair growing. So let's do it. So this is my hair end of July when I got the unwanted cut, and I started using aloe vera regularly. And this is my hair 28th of August, and I've grown on average 1 inch all over my hair. Normally I grow 1/4 of an inch, but now I grew 1 inch. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Love you.